What is the most difficult phase in this 3-phase examination according to you? Which is the most difficult? Is it pre or mains or interview?
It varies from person to person, but if you consider the subjectivity of the examination, prelims has become a hurdle for many people. Also, CSAT difficulty has increased. So I think prelims is the biggest eliminator. If you are not into the process of writing prelims, mains, and interview, it acts like, it might develop self-doubt in yourself if you are not clearing prelims again and again. So prelims is the toughest thing, because in mains, if you write mains, you get your scorecard, you get your marks subject wise, and you can improve like what worked for you, what did not work for you. But for prelims, it is not like that. And if you fail prelims, आपको ये आगे खुद को इंट्रोस्पेक्ट एनालाइज करने का मौका नहीं मिलता है. तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि प्रीलिम्स ही ज्यादा टफ गेम है. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट टफ, बट इट इज मोर कॉम्पिटिटिव. सबसे ज्यादा कंपटीशन प्रीलिम्स के लिए है.
Yes, I think unpredictability of the prelims is making the task tougher for the aspirants year after year.
Yes.
So what was your approach with regard to the paper 1 of the prelims, that is GS paper 1?
Actually, I could not clear prelims in first 3 attempts. So मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा burden था कि I am lacking somewhere, or I used to miss cut off by 0.66 or 1 mark in all the 3 attempts. So somewhere I was like, my approach is right, but my technique is a little bit wrong, or I need to improve on my technique. Because if you are scoring somewhere around cutoff, it is just a matter of 1 question or 2 question. But in my 3 attempts, what I realized that first 2 attempts, I was very bookish. Like I used to think that I have to read these 10, 12, 15 books. I have to revise them again and again, and then I'll clear the exam. So I had that approach, but that approach doesn't work here. My focus on analyzing the demand of the examination through the previous year questions, or they say you have to get into the mode of exam setter, like what examiner is trying to get from you. Like from some questions, they are checking your decision taking abilities. Some questions they are checking your temperament. Some questions they are checking your fact. So मैंने इतना कभी सोचा नहीं था प्रीलिम. मुझे सब सिर्फ लगता था कि बुक पढ़ो, रिवाइज करो और क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो फिर ऐसे नहीं था. तो फिर ये सबसे बड़ी गलती थी. एंड सेकेंडली फिर ये था कि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आई यूज्ड टू डू, बट उनमें डेप्थ नहीं था. आई डिड नॉट डू देम विद अ प्रॉपर डेप्थ. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू सॉल्व द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. एंड ऐसे होता है ना कि बहुत बार क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो तो आपको आंसर पता चल जाता है कि ओके, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये है. तो फिर बट इट डज नॉट वर्क. यू हैव टू गो 1 step 2 step ahead. कि why this question has been asked, why these options have been given, what I should read more about these questions. और previous year question मैंने solve किए थे, मैंने analyze नहीं किए थे, और उसका use कैसे हो सकता है वो सोचा नहीं था पहले 3 अटेम्प्ट में. लेकिन 4th और 5th अटेम्प्ट में मैंने वो अच्छे से सोचा था, उस पे वर्क किया था, पेरिफेरल एरियाज पे वर्क किया था. क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन से ये है कि आपको पता चलता है कि in which areas you have to dwell more, in which areas your superficial knowledge will work, in which areas you need factual knowledge, in which areas you have to guess. You cannot always, in science and tech, you cannot study each and everything, but there your guessing capabilities should be developed. Or in ancient, you cannot read everything, but so there you need to develop your logic. In polity, your conceptual clarity helps you. So in environment, your peripheral knowledge helps you. So this has come to me with a lot of experience and with 3 failures. So these were the mistakes, and also my number of attempts were very less in the first 3 attempts. I don't know why, but I used to attempt only 75-80 questions. But in last 2 attempts, I attempted more than 95 questions, and that also helped me.
Okay. So I think your approach in a nutshell, if what I could figure out is going through the previous year question papers, and not only going through it, analyze them, what they want to ask, which area needs real strength, and which area your superficial knowledge will work. So it's a very scientific study that you have done.
Yes.